So, Brian, I was able to launch a $497 course. And to my surprise, I was able to make sales, and not just a few sales, but enough where it was a significant amount, four figures within a month's time. And so I'm just super excited to see where this is going to go and for the women that it's going to impact. So before Incubator, I was actually growing an audience on LinkedIn, and I was heavily involved with a women in tech and women in business audience because that's where I was at the time. And if I can be honest, I was a little torn between moving into this more authentic.
Mm,
I am excited about taking a leap of faith and moving 100% towards where the favor and the fruit already is, because I have women of faith who have paid me and have said this course is important. It is
mm.
not only important for me, but for the others that will be able to engage with the gifts and talents that they have, but it will allow them to earn an income because we're worth it.